firing a machine gun. This is what it's like to fire a machine gun.
Whenever you're ready.
Just put my shoulder right here.
That's it?
Yeah, you kind of rest against the hollow of your shoulder, and then you aim through that side. So you put your face close to the front. Wait up. Yeah.
Here we go. There you go. My tour of duty in Vietnam. We're again in Ho Chi Minh, outside Ho Chi Minh City. Just fired a machine. That was 10 bullets, $13 US, pay to shoot a gun in Vietnam. We're here at a museum about some of the stuff that went on during the war. I'm not going to lie, a little nervous before I pulled the trigger, but afterwards it was actually easy and maybe scarily. It was kind of like playing a video game. Anyway, that's how to shoot a gun in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.